Hi guys, good morning. So I think we'll start. Right, let me share my screen. So we'll see more examples for naming. Right. Okay. Say if I have a compound like this, hope you remember the rules. Hope you remember the prefix names, suffix names of all the functional groups. Right. Fine. Anyways, so we'll start. So if I have yeah, can name this compound. I told you how to use your secondary suffixes, right? Okay, I'll give you quickly 30 seconds. Tell me, what is the name of the compound? I think I will ask somebody in person, so please do not sit idle. Right? After 30 seconds, I will ask a person and he or she should answer. Okay, fine. Let me ask. Okay. Divya, are you there, Kana? Divya? Divya, are you there? Okay. Bhavatardi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kana. Can you tell me what is the name of the
Uh,
compound?
sir, is it 1 iodo 4 fluoro hept 4n6-ine?
Okay, okay. You're almost correct, except for the numbering part, right? Yeah, almost what you did is correct. 95% is correct, right? Fine. So now we have to go for the priority first, right? Tell me which has the most priority here, which is the highest priority here. I mean, not about that. Anybody can tell now, right? Which has the highest priority here? Which group?
Halogens, sir.
No,
Halogens.
no. Which has the highest priority?
A double bond, sir.
Correct, right? So double bond has the maximum priority, right? So we'll check. We have to get first priority is to get the lowest possible number for double bond, right? So if I do that, say this is first carbon atom, second carbon atom, third carbon atom. In third carbon
We have
atom,
to do from right side.
we'll check. We'll check. So now this side, if you check 1, 2, 3, again you're getting 3, right? Done. Okay. Fine. Now either side of the either side you start, I'm going to get 3 for the double bond. So no problem. Now I have to check for the second priority. What is the second priority?
Halogens, sir.
No.
triple bond, sir.
You have to be very careful, Kana. Like very, very careful. Like, no, if you don't know the priority order, and that is really, really gonna end up in problems. Right? Fine. Triple bond now has the highest priority, right? After double bond, right? So obviously you have to start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So only 6 carbon atoms are there. So I think someone said 7. It's only 6 carbon atoms. Iodine is attached to this carbon atom, 6th carbon atom only. Right? Okay, now done. So now I can get the root word out. It's hex, right? And let me go for the branches. There are only 2 branches, that is F and I, and you have to go for alphabetical order. Which has to come first? F has to come first. Now again, not because of priority, because of alphabetical order, right? So it is going to be 4. F comes first, so it is going to be 4 fluoro. Then what? Then it is going to be 6.
6 iodo.
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, so 6 iodo, right? X, and then start with X, right? Now should be hex. Now I should use the secondary suffix for your double bond, right? And where am I having the one? Third position, hex 3 N. And where do I have the triple bond? In first position, 1
1
That's the name of this compound. Okay, fine, no issues.
Yes,
We'll do more questions. Yeah. Okay, I think anybody has any doubt how this compound name came? Okay, fine. Next question. Yeah, can I name this? Quick. Again, I will ask anybody, please be ready. Okay. I'll ask. I think keyboard lovers is Mithun. Is it?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I didn't read.
No, no issues. No issues. No issues. No issues. Yeah, no issues. No issues. Tell me the name of the compound. Yes, Mithun, are you there? Tell me the name of the compound.
1 minute, sir. Thinking, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now answer my questions. Which has the highest priority, Mithun, here in this compound? Yes, which has the highest priority in this compound?
UH, sir.
Sorry?
UH.
I don't understand what you're telling.
UH.
OH. You're telling OH?
UH.
What is UH? It's not a UH. Oh, sorry. My handwriting. Maybe it's OH, Kana. Right? It's OH.
It's a OH, sir. I thought that is UH.
Okay, fine. So OH has the maximum priority, right? So in this side also I have OH, that side also I have OH,
Yes, sir.
right? Fine. So both OH, wherever you start, you're going to have the same number. Okay. What is the next now for maximum priority is OH. What is the next priority?
C2.
What?
2.
C2.
C, sir.
No, what are the groups you have? You have OH. Other than that, what do you have?
N. En.
Okay, double bond. You have a double bond, right? So double bond
Yes,
has
sir.
the next priority. Okay, so where should we start numbering from?
OH, sir.
Sorry?
OH.
Words.
OH, sir. Sir, my voice is audible, sir.
Yeah, your voice is a little breaking. What I'm asking is, where should I start numbering from?
OH, sir.
In the OH. Okay, OH, you have both side OH, left or right?
Left.
No.
Right, right.
Okay, why right?
Sir, because highest point.
Highest point for both side you have OH, same number you'll get. Why am I starting from right?
Sir, because it increases, atomic property increases. Atomic number will increase.
No, Kanna, do not confuse yourself. Okay, fine. Listen to this. Like I'll ask someone else. Please listen here. Okay, so maybe let me ask Shruti. Are you there, Kanna?
Yes, sir. So that the double bond get the least number.
Correct. Right. So if you start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm getting it in 3 and 5, right? Double bond. But if I start numbering from here, if I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? Now what numbers you're getting? You're getting 2 and what? 4. Right, you're getting 2 and 4 if you go from right hand side. You're getting, I think, 3 and 5 if you go from left hand side. So obviously 2 and 4 are least for the double bond. That's it. Now what is the name, Kana? Tell me, Shruti. Yes, Shruti, the name.
Sir, is it het 2, 4 in?
2, 4 in. It's N. Okay, then.
Sorry, sir. And then 3, 5 methyl.
Okay, this 3, 5 methyl should come where?
In the start, sir.
Correct. You should do it before. This is the prefix, right? So you have to do it before that. So it is 3, 5 methyl. 3, 5 dimethyl.
Then 1, 7
1, 7
Al.
Al. For alcohols, what it has to end with?
Ol.
Right. So it is going to be 1, 7 diol. You have to specify. Remember, guys, whenever you want to talk about prefix or suffix, I told you 3 questions has to be answered. When, where, how many. Right? So you have 2 things. So you have put a diol. Since how you put dimethyl, you have to put a diol specifying the numbers. Yes, good attempt. Nice, Shruti. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Right? I think everybody understood. We just gave the numbering right. These are the secondary suffixes. This is the primary suffix, and these are my prefix. This is my root word. Done. Right. Okay. Next question. Now we'll look. Okay, wait. We just saw only alcohols, iodine, fluorine, double bond, triple bond. That only we saw. Let me make it. We'll go for the other functional groups also. Right. Okay. Say if I put. Is a double bond too? Okay, fine. Make a double bond also. Okay, now, okay. So maybe give you 30 seconds again, right? And I'll ask someone. Guys, after 30 seconds, if you don't know, you tell me you don't know. I'll go for the other one. We'll solve a lot of questions in that way. It's completely all right if you don't know. Okay. I will ask. What should I ask? Pranav. Hi there, Kana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me the name of this compound? Okay, first. Well, maybe this is the new thing, right? Tell me, what are the three things present there? I mean, three
Sir,
groups present there.
Alkene group, OH group, and ketone group, I guess, sir.
Good, good. Right. There are ketone, alcohol, and double bond. Yes, good. Okay. Which has the maximum priority?
Ene as, I guess, sir.
No. Look at the priority order. Where double bond comes, where OH comes, where ketone comes. Which has the maximum priority?
Ene comes first, and then the OH, I guess the ketone comes last.
No. If you look at the priority order, Kana, ketone has the maximum priority. Then actually OH, then only double bond, C double bond C. Okay. Fine. Now that I know that it is going to be ketone having the maximum priority, where should I start numbering from? From left or right?
From right, sir.
Oh, good. Okay, so we'll number it now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, wait. 3, 4, 5. 4 and 5. Sorry. Okay, 5. Right. Now, tell me, what is the how should I start the name with? Is there any prefix part? Okay, first, wait. What is the suffix for this compound?
Pentane.
No. What is the suffix for this compound? Last, what I just end with? Okay,
Ene,
wait.
sir.
No. Like, see, whenever you have different groups, I told you suffix is going to depend upon what? Now, see, in this case, the previous case, you saw there's a double bond and OH. Which had maximum priority? OH had maximum priority. So what I ended up with all, right? So same way in this case, I told you that ketone has the maximum priority. So what it has to end with?
Yes, sir. I'm not sure of the functional group for the ketone, sir.
Cool.
One.
Good. Own.
Oh.
Right. So it has to end with own. Right. So for the other two, obviously for double bond, I don't have any prefix because it is going to come in the main chain itself. What is the prefix for OH?
All. Well.
That is suffix. When you have to end the compound with OH, then all. If it is not, it is going to act as a prefix. Then what is the name?
I am sure, sir.
No issues.
Hydroxy, sir.
Yes, it's hydroxy, right? The prefix part for OH is hydroxy. Right, fine. Anybody wants to try the name? Anybody can tell me the name, quick. We'll try. It's not this thing for only one person. Anybody can try the name.
Sir, is it 3-hydroxy?
Okay.
3.
Then the root word, that's it.
Pent.
Yeah.
4N. 2-on.
Good. Very good. That's the exact name of this compound. Nice attempt. Very nice. Right. So 3-hydroxy. Hope you understood why. Because you have 3 different groups. Right. Now this suffix is going to depend on which is the maximum priorized group. Right. And that obviously is going to be a ketone. So it has to end with on. And again, when you talk about suffix, what, where, how many? There is only one. So that now if at all I had two double bond O's, I would have written dione. Right. Anyways, so now comes the secondary suffix. In fourth, you see a double bond, right? And you see it's obviously a 5-carbon atom, so pent. And in the third position, you have OH group, and you cannot use ol. You have to use the prefix for that, and that would be hydroxy.
So,
Good. Yeah.
So we took the naming, like numbering from right to left, right?
Yeah, right to left.
The reason is because to get ketone the least number.
Exactly. Yes.
But so, in one of the previous questions, we made sure that the double bond gets the least number.
When I had
even
a
though
double
there's a
bond,
functional group.
can you tell me? The compound?
I think it's the above ones. So.
This one. I mean, this one.
Or the one before. I'm not sure.
One before. one before you're telling I. Okay. Oh, wait. When I compare iodine fluorine with double bond, triple bond,
Yes,
double
sir,
bond,
this
triple
is
bond has
true.
more priority. You look at the priority order carefully. The only groups which has lesser priority than double bond, triple bond are the halogens and the alkoxy group, OR group, ether group. Other than that, all the functional group has higher priority than double bond, triple bond. Only two has lesser priority. In this question, you ask me why is it that I gave priority for double bond, triple bond? Because they only have higher priority compared to halogens. But when I go for after halogens, you have OH or ketone or an aldehyde or an acid. Definitely that has more priority than double bond, triple bond.
Okay, sir. My doubts.
Okay, like see, that's what I'm telling. If you are not going to know the priority order, right, these small things will always come, right? You have to solve a lot of questions so that your priority order gets by hearted. Right now, there are certain reasons why IUPAC gave such this thing. What is that? Why such priority order? But it is really not required for us. They have their own reasons for it, and even if I tell you the reasons, you will find it bogus, right? So, anyways, right? Fine. We'll go to the next question. Right? I hope everybody understood this question, hydroxy question. Right? We'll move on. Okay. Right. So. Then and yeah, I told you that I'll tell you what is the prefix part for aldehydes, right? The prefix part is methanol. Okay, this is the prefix. Prefix for aldehyde, CHO. Okay, I told you that I'll tell you next class. It is methanol. Okay, when you have CHO as a branch, at that time you have to use methanol. Okay, but anyways, you 90. I don't think you'll get any questions, but we'll see whether you're getting anything or not. Okay, fine. We'll go to the next question. Say now. Okay, this is a metal group which I drew, right? So yeah, your 30 seconds starts.
Sir, that's an alkyl group, sir.
Which one?
The OH plate.
This one, which I
Yes,
rubbed.
sir.
Okay, this is actually a metal group here. Okay, Rohan, you wanna try?
So could you give me 1 second for
Yeah,
this?
sure.
So
Yeah,
is it 1,4 hydroxy?
just hydroxy.
No, there are more, sir.
Two, right? So
Yeah, so dihydroxy.
okay, okay. Are you following alphabetical order with all the prefixes?
No, sir.
Tell me in according to alphabetical order.
It's 5-iodochloro.
No. You cannot say 5-iodochloro. You have to say 5-chloro, 5-iodo. That's how you should say.
So like okay, so
Right.
5-chloro,
Okay.
5-iodo,
Okay.
1,3 hydroxy,
Again, 1,3. What?
dihydroxy,
Okay.
3-methyl,
Second. Okay. You tell 3-methyl.
then pent, 2,4 on
That's it. Again, what one?
dione.
Very careful. Very careful. Okay. So yes, correct. That's the answer, right? So you can see the numbering will start. Obviously, the priority goes to the double bond dose, that is the ketone, right? Now, either way you go, you're going symmetric compound. So either way you go, you're going to get 2,4 for your double bond dose, right? So obviously the next priority is OH, right? That has to get the least possible number. So obviously we'll start from the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? So that's why you say 5. Why chloro comes first? Alphabetical order. Then comes iodo, right? And then, wait, actually, hydroxy should come here, right? H and then I, right? So it's 5-chloro, 1,3 dihydroxy, then 5-iodo, right? Then comes your 3-methyl, right? Then it's simple. Then it's pent. Actually, now you see, since you don't have any double or triple bonds here the secondary suffix is an. Okay, right? Here also you have the secondary suffix, but you have to specify because you don't have double or triple bonds. You write it as pentan. Did we write that in the previous question? Previous question had double bond. Yeah, previous question has double bond. Okay, fine. So this question doesn't have any double bond, right? What happened? Okay, so this is question that doesn't have double bond. So the secondary suffix will be an. Okay, so pentan, then your ons, that is 2,4 di-ons. Again, because there are 2, that's why you put di. Okay, right? Fine. Move on to the next question. Okay. Okay, so this is a compound. Again, 30 seconds. Start. The rules are everywhere it's same. Okay. Maybe 10 more seconds. Okay. I'll ask. Rahul, are you there, Kana? Rahul? I think he's in the chat. Yes. Yes, quick. You can tell me the name of this compound. Rahul. I think you can type, not an issue. Yeah, the compound is here. You type. I will see it. But quickly. Four hydroxy. Okay, you're telling 5-hydroxy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 5-hydroxy, 4-oxo. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 carbon atoms, if you check along with the CHO, Rahul, I think it should be oct. Okay. Right? I think it's okay. Right. Okay, then oct, then till now it's correct, except for hept. Then 2n 1 2. See, you have to count. So I think you're getting confused here only. The thing is, you have to count sorry, you have to count this carbon atom also in the main chain. Remember that CHO is also part of the chain. So you have to put the, if you want to put the numbering, obviously, okay, the highest priority goes to CHO. So you have to put the numbering from here, 1 2, then you have to start like that. Okay, so it's 3n. Okay, correct. Then 3n, then 7-9 al. Oh, good, Kana. Yes, that's the answer. 1 al, you don't have to specify because it's 1. Good attempt, Rahul. Nice. Okay, so what he said was correct, right? So now I have 3 groups: CHO, that is aldehyde, then one C double bond O, ketone, and an alcohol. And other than that, I have double bond also. Right. So obviously the priority goes to aldehydes. Please remember, when I compare ketones and aldehydes is more priority. Right. So definitely you have to give the lowest possible number for ketone, aldehyde only. That's why you put the number 1. See, why am I putting directly 1 here is because this is part of the main chain. This is part of the main chain, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. Fine. So this is going to be 6, 7, and 8. right? There are 8 carbon atoms, right? So I think that one thing you missed, that's why it became 5-hydroxy, Rahul. It's 6-hydroxy. But anyways, good attempt. Good attempt. Very nice attempt. Okay. So now we'll name the compounds. So there is only going to be two prefixes, right? Because you have, this is the most prioritized group. So it has to end with Al, right? Aldehyde should end with Al, right? So for this OH and for this double bond O, you have to use the prefix part, right? So again, alphabetical order, H comes first. So it is 6-hydroxy, right? 6-hydroxy, right? Then for your ketone, as Rahul said, it is going to be oxo. Oxo is the prefix for ketones. So 6-hydroxy, 5-oxo. Okay, 5-oxo. Then here comes your root word, oct, because there are 8 carbon atoms. And you see in the 3rd carbon atom, you have a double bond. And in the 7th carbon atom, you have a triple bond. So it's 3N79. And last, you have to go for the aldehyde. That is 1-al. You don't have to specify, or if you want to specify, you can specify. Right? It's going to be 1. This is the name of the compound. How many of you got this right, other than Rahul?
Got, sir.
Good, good. Nice. Okay, next question. Okay, I hope everybody understood. This is the name of the name of the compound. Okay, fine. Now, next question. Okay, guys, I think this is the last question with respect to straight chain compounds. I'll go for cyclic structures after this. Again, cyclic structures are very easy. I think I'll be able to complete it today itself. So again, whenever there are certain things common with respect to CHO and COOH. Okay, so both these functional groups, CHO and COOH, will come only at the terminal positions. There is no other position where you can get them, right? And these are the only thing which has carbon atoms included in. These are the only functional groups which has carbon atom in them, right? So you have to make sure that they are included in the main chain, just like how you did in the aldehyde case. You put the one on the carbon, aldehyde is carbon, right? So here also you have to follow the same, right? Both the COOHs should be included in the main chain. Okay, I hope someone should be ready, or I'll give you 10 more seconds. Okay, let me ask, I think I asked everybody. Pranav, Mithun, I asked. Yeah, any doubts you want to ask? Someone unmuted, I guess.
No, sir.
Oh, okay. Abhishek, are you there, Kana? Abhishek? Okay, the chat. Yes, Abhishek. Quickly, the name of this compound. The compound is here. If you don't know, you can tell you don't know, or you can type the name. Whatever name you got, you can just type. I'll tell you what are all the mistakes you did. No issues. There is this thing. 1 minute. Okay. One more should be there. I think Venetia is absent today. Is it? Yeah, Venetia is not there. Okay. Yes, Abhishek. Any answers? Okay, no issues. Fine. Uh fine. Anybody wants anybody else wants to try? Give me an answer for this.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, is it 5-iodo, 3-hydroxy, 4-oxo, hept
5
1,
iodo hept. Tell me hept.
hept 1,7 dioic acid?
Acid. Okay. You missed one thing, I guess. You missed a double bond, right?
Oh yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I didn't.
Okay. Other than that, everything is correct. Yes. Fine. No issues. Right. Fine. So obviously the priority has to go to COOH, and both side you have COOH, right? So either way you go, either way you go, you're going to get the same number for COOH. So now you have to look at the second priority. Second priority is obviously OH. Oh, no. Second priority is actually this. C double bond O. Right. So again, I think you're going to get the same number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you're going to get the same number for the second priority also. However you go. Now look at the third priority. Third priority is obviously going to be OH. Now that has to get the least possible number. So I definitely have to start with numbering from the left. Right. So 1. I told you COOH carbon should be taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right. So again, alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. You have to write the prefix part. Right. So I think hydroxy comes first. Right. So it's going to be 3-hydroxy. Right. And then I think iodine. So then 5-iodo. Okay, 5-iodo. And then I think that's it. That's about the prefix part, I guess. Oxo is there.
4-oxo.
4-oxo. Yeah. Okay, 4-oxo, and then go to your hept. Right. And in the fifth position, you have a double bond. So 5N, and then I think 1,7. dioic. Oh God. This sometimes is little irritating like this. Okay. 1,7 dioic acid. Okay, fine, at last. Right. So 3-hydroxy, I think name from the numbering, if you're done properly, other than that, everything is fine. Right, Hep 5 and 1,7 dioic acid. Again, di is very important. If you don't specify, again wrong. Okay, what is the time? Okay, let me now. I think now anything which is given in straight chain questions, I think you'll be able to do it, right? So all the functional groups you have included, all the prefix part, suffix part, everything you have given examples. Okay, so now let me go for cyclic structures. Right. So now I'm going to directly start with functional groups because you know the same rules you're going to follow, except that when I told you when you have a double bond, you have to travel through the double bond. Hope you remember what do you mean by travel to double bond. Right. Anyways, let me give you a question. Okay, this is a compound. So everything is similar except that you have to like if instead of writing just pent or just hex, you are going to write cyclohex, cyclopent. Like that's the only difference. Rest all is very same, and obviously the double bond moving. Right? Hope you remember how to do it. Okay, maybe this question I will do, or let you try. Anyways, I will do. If anybody is ready, you can give the answer.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, is it 5-methyl
Mm.
cyclohex 1,3 ene and
Ah.
1,3 diol
Okay.
diol.
Okay. So I think you did everything perfect except I think for the movement through the double bond. Okay, we'll check. Right. Fine. So now, guys, obviously priority goes to the OH, no doubt. Right. Now, so if for example, if you put 1 to this carbon, right? If you put 1 to this carbon, you cannot put 2 here. Please understand. I told you that you cannot do this. If you put 1, you cannot just miss the double bond and come. The only way you can put 2 is this. No other way. Right? So same goes with the next OH also. You have to be very careful when it comes to double bonds in cyclic structures. Okay, right? So we'll check what numbers are we getting. Okay, so if I put right 1 here and 2, now there is no choice, you have to put 2 here only, there is no other go, right? So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6.
Sir, can't we start from the top most part, sir?
Yes, that's what we have to do. That's exactly what we have to do. right? So what you're doing, what you're getting here is 1. I mean, for the OH, you're getting 1 and 5. Okay. Now let me see in some other way of numbering, am I getting any other lowest possible number, lower number than this for the alcohol, right? Fine. So let me put it like this now, right? I'll just rub the numbers. Okay, right. Now, as she said, I can start actually numbering from here. Put 1 here, 2 here, right? 3 here, and 4 here, 5 and 6. Okay, right. Now what numbers are you getting? You're getting 2 and 4, which is way better than last time, right? I was getting what? 1 and 6, right? Now I'm getting 2 and 4. Okay, right? So that will be a better number for this. Okay, so or if you have any other way of doing it, maybe say if you start numbering from here to the in this carbon atom, if you put 1, again you have to put 2 there. You're gonna get the same thing, right? Okay, I think you will be getting same thing. Yeah, same thing as in the previous case, right? So the best way, I mean, the correct way of going for numbering is this way. What we did, putting 1 here, 2 here, and then continuing till 6. That's that way only you will get the least possible number, and making sure that you are not violating the rule of traveling through the double bond, right? That's more important here. Okay, so now the name is simple. So you have in, I think, 6 methyl, right? 6 methyl, then it is going to be cyclo, because it's a ring structure, you have to put cyclo. And there is a 6 carbon atom membered ring, so it is cyclohex. You have 2 double bonds also in the first position and in the 4th position. So cyclohex 1, 4. I'll write down di N, right? Then comes your alcohols, that is in 2 and 4. 2, 4 dia. Okay, so this will be the name of this compound. 6 methyl, you see, and cyclohexane, and 1, 4, you see in first position and in the 4th position you have a double bond, and 2nd position and 4th position again you have alcohol. So dia. What is the time? Okay. Fine, guys. I think I'll stop with this for today. So we'll just do, I think, 2-3 more cyclic questions. That is IPAC naming on cyclic questions, and then I'll move on to the next part. Next part would be isomerism. Okay. And guys, like if you want to practice you have your source with you itself. Just practice your book back exercises, NCRT. That is more than sufficient if you do that, right? And if anybody is interested, maybe I can actually we'll put a day separately other than the days we have classes. And actually, I can show you some crazy structures and getting the name for them. Like you will not even think that these kind of structures exist, right? And actually, we can get. But again, nobody's going to ask you those questions in schools, right? But if you're interested, you want to learn it. You can learn it. That's not a big deal. Maybe it will be useful for your advanced JEE mains, but it is fun. IPAC naming is fun. I don't know how many of you like it, but it's fun. Right? Okay. Thank you, guys. We'll meet again. I hope if there's any doubt, you can ask me, or we'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow also we have class. Right? Fine. I suppose there are no doubts. Okay. Thank you, guys. We'll meet again.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.